Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2015 Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 610 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Rosso Mars exterior color and Unicolor Nero Ade leather interior with red stitching. This Huracan is in excellent condition and comes well optioned, including navigation, carbon ceramic brakes with red calipers, rear view camera, parking sensors, lift system, 20-inch GIANO rims, contrast stitching, Unicolor full leather interior, style package, branding package, and much more.